This episode of the Fire Alarm Insider is proudly brought to you by Secured Securities, your trusted partner in fire alarm and security solutions, protecting lives and businesses one system at a time. Today we're going to talk about as-built drawings and what it really is. An as-built is not actually just a simple set of drawings, it's actual factual evidence. An as-built riser diagram shows you what is actually installed in the building, where the devices are actually installed, and any updated wiring routes that you may have, the accurate device count, your sequence of operation, stamp from the professional engineer, and also the stamp from the installer on the functionality statement. There are a lot of details that's going to have to be on your fire alarm as-built riser diagram, and it's also going to be done after you complete the installation because you need the exact information to submit to the fire department once you complete the install. The whole truth and nothing but the truth is on this piece of paper. So let me explain to you why it matters. It supports the final inspection. When the fire department comes out there to inspect your system, you hang it up by the fire alarm control panel to give you a snapshot of exactly what is installed in the system. It's required for you to get any approval from your AHJ, rather it be a government agency or just the fire department. It helps with service calls, especially with me. I can see if there are duct detectors on the roof or not on the roof, because sometimes we don't install remote LEDs to let us know that we have duct detectors above the ceiling. So that's a quick indication to let me know where I'm going to be searching for these duct detectors. It helps me also with troubleshooting. It reduces the liability because now I can speed up my troubleshooting time by not guessing to where these devices are. It also helps you with future expansions. You could determine if you need to upgrade the system or if this particular system can be expanded further to more devices. This episode of the Fire Alarm Insider is sponsored by the Fire Alarm Business Blueprint. If you're a seasoned technician looking to start your own fire alarm business, we have a 9-step course for you to take you from starting your business to getting your fire alarm license, marketing, and also getting money into your business. If this sounds like you, the link is in the show notes. Let's get back to the program. So some of the common mistakes that I see some contractors make when it comes to as-built riser diagram is you do need to submit an as-built when you first submit your fire alarm design, and you have to get them drawings approved. A lot of times they still use that same particular as-built drawings. Not every situation when you install a system is going to match to how you design the system, because let's say the electrician had put a light there before you had put your 1900 box there to get the smoke there. So, or the plumber has pipe in your way. So there's always some type of scenario or variable that may change your fire alarm design. So once you completely install the system where these devices are actually located, that is when you do your as-built and design your riser diagram. So here's the secure approach. And when we do our riser diagram, especially our as-built riser diagram, after we completely install a system, we then take our fire alarm design that we submitted to the fire department and we go through each and every device, and we either put arrows to where the new location is, say we moved it to this location, and then we mark that location down for the programmer so that way they either can use the same description or we have to let them know what the new description is. So we make sure we be as detailed as possible. So when we submit this to the engineer, they know how to now design the as-built riser diagram and also the as-built floor plans for the client. So remember, your as-built reflects your craftsmanship. So as long as you leave the job right, you leave a lasting impression on how you actually conduct your business. You don't want to just install systems the right way. You want to make sure your paperwork is right as well. So everything from the submission all the way down to closing out paperwork should be 100% perfect each and every time you install a fire alarm system. This episode of the Fire Alarm Insider is brought to you by Secured Securities. Secured Securities presents you the perfect fire alarm install, from inception all the way down to installation to the one-time pass inspection with the fire department. If you're looking for the perfect install, click the link in the show notes to talk more. So remember, document clearly, speak clearly, and work professionally. A word with no voice is no word at all. And I'm the fire alarm expert, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Peace.